You are going to love the 2016
Cadillac CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy.
and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
Power passenger seat,
anti-lock braking system,
navigation system, backup camera,
lane departure warning,
steering wheel audio controls,
keyless entry,
remote engine start,
stability control, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.